In this part 2, you will discover how to animate a Photoshop file or design in After Effects for social media. Let's jump in real quick. I want to fix some small issue that I have here, which is the color over here. Select, copy, paste, change the color to come over here, effects, color over here. Let's make it red. That's for the aesthetics, so this one should be joined with this one. Okay, open After Effects. We will come over new project, double click over here, import the Photoshop design. Make sure the import kind is set to composition - retain layer sizes, and the layer options, make sure it is set to editable layer style. Click OK. Double click on the first one to import the project. Come to composition settings, and the duration over here, make sure it's set to 12 seconds. Okay, in the background, that won't be touched at the moment. So on your timeline, move to a couple of seconds. Select the last unlock layer, go to the top, hit shift while holding on your keyboard and click on the third layer. Once everything is selected, we will use the position tool to modify what we have right now. Hit on P, the shortcut on your keyboard, to bring the position tool. Make sure all the layers are highlighted and click on any of the stop icon to set the first keyframe. Hit on the shortcut on the keyboard F9 to easy ease those keyframes. Go to the beginning of the timeline, click outside the composition, and now we are ready to do some action. Let's animate. Click on the heaven text, holding shift on your keyboard, drag it outside the composition. I will do the same procedure for all the layers. Click, hold shift on your keyboard while dragging. Next will be the heaven call. Text from the bottom. Let's see what we have right now. Let's animate the family picture first. Unlock the layer and the family background layer. Move to the exact ending side of the animation. Hit the shortcut T to bring the opacity tool. Click the time icon to set the keyframe. F9 on your keyboard. Go to the beginning and set the number to 0. Now let's see what we have. Nice. Let's tackle the shadow. Where are you, Mr. Shadow? Hit T on your keyboard, opacity tool. Set the keyframe. F9. Go back to the beginning. Set to 0. It shows up too early, so select both of the keyframes. Move it a little bit from the timeline. Let's see. Now it's left with the mosquitoes and smoke effect. Select the first one. Now look for the last mosquito. Now let's modify the timing of those dead mosquitoes. Next I will be animating the shop wholesale. For this one I'll be using the rotation tool. Give it a little swag. Set a keyframe at your desired location. F9, easy ease. Move a little bit. Change this or rotate this to up like that. Now select those keyframes, copy them, paste it. Paste it, paste it. Let's see what we have. Let's animate the call also. Set a different keyframe. Click on this one to add a new keyframe with this one and change the position from copy. Transparent. Let's rotate it to give it a music playing effect. Hit R to bring the rotation tool. Set a new keyframe. F9, easy ease. Give it about like 9%. Yep. It's left with the smoke effect. Let's hide the smoke first. Bring in a green smoke effect. Drop it to the timeline, key line. There we have it. Turn off. Oh, nice. 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 Nice one. Nice one. Bring in your background music and you are good to go. Drag it to the bottom of the timeline. Go, 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 go. So now come to File, Export, Out to Render Queue. Click on the output tool. Save it to your location. Keep the setting exact. Hit on render and you are good to go.